Imagine you are sitting in a beautiful Spanish plaza. Someone sits next to you. They smile, they look friendly. You want to say something, but nothing comes out. Not because you are shy, but because you just do not have the words yet. Today, we give you those words. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to start a conversation, introduce yourself, give a compliment, and actually make a real friend in Spanish. Simple phrases, real connections. Before we start, if you are new here, welcome to English and Spanish Cafe. We teach real, everyday Spanish in the simplest way possible. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a lesson. It is completely free, and it truly helps us keep this going.
We would love to have you here every single week. Now, let us get into it.
Welcome back to English and Spanish Cafe. I am your host, and with me, as always, is my co-host, joining us from Spain.
Hola, everyone. I love this topic so much because in Spanish culture, friendship is everything. We are very open, very warm, and we love meeting new people. So today, I want to give you the exact phrases that will help you connect with Spanish speakers anywhere in the world.
Everything today is A1 and A2 level. Short phrases, easy words, real Spanish that you can use the next time you are around Spanish speakers and you want to actually connect with them.
No complicated grammar, just simple, warm, and natural phrases, starting right now.
Someone catches your eye. You want to introduce yourself. This is your very first phrase.
Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Hi, what is your name? Hola means hi. ¿Cómo te llamas means what is your name. It is the most natural and friendly way to open any conversation with someone new.
Repeat after me. Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Hola, ¿cómo te llamas?
And when they tell you their name, you respond with me llamo and your name. Me llamo Isabela. My name is Isabela. Simple, warm, and natural.
You know their name. Now you want to know where they are from. This is one of the most natural questions in any first conversation.
¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? ¿De dónde means from where. Eres means you are. Put them together and you have the perfect getting to know you question. And to answer it yourself, you say, soy de, and then your country. Soy de Estados Unidos. I am from the United States.
Repeat. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres?
Soy de España. Soy de México. Soy de Canadá. Same structure every single time. Just swap the country name.
Sometimes you are mid-conversation and you realize you need a little help. This phrase is your safety net.
¿Hablas inglés? Do you speak English? Hablas means do you speak. Inglés means English. There is absolutely no shame in asking this. It is polite. It gives the other person a choice. And most Spanish speakers will genuinely try to help you, even if they only speak a little.
Repeat. ¿Hablas inglés? ¿Hablas inglés?
And if they say un poco, it means a little. Which honestly just means you are both figuring it out together. And that is actually where real friendships begin.
This phrase right here is pure magic. And I mean that seriously.
Estoy aprendiendo español. I am learning Spanish. Estoy means I am. Aprendiendo means learning. Español means Spanish. The moment you say this to a native Spanish speaker, their entire face changes. They smile. They slow down. They want to help you. It is the single most powerful connection phrase in this whole episode.
Repeat this one with feeling. Estoy aprendiendo español. Estoy aprendiendo español.
This phrase shows humility, effort, and curiosity all at once. Spanish speakers love it every single time.
The conversation is going well. Now you want to know what they are into. Here is how you ask.
¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do?
¿Qué means what? Te gusta means you like. Hacer means to do. This question opens up the whole conversation. You find out what they enjoy, and suddenly you have a real connection.
Repeat. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? ¿Qué te gusta hacer?
And to answer for yourself, you say me gusta and the activity. Me gusta la música. I like music. Me gusta viajar. I like to travel. Me gusta el fútbol. I like football. One structure, endless answers.
You are doing really well. Halfway through already. If this episode is helping you feel more confident about speaking Spanish with real people, please subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe right now. We drop new episodes every single week, all designed for beginners just like you.
Leave us a like, too. It genuinely helps so many more people find this channel and start making real connections in Spanish. We really appreciate every single one.
5 more phrases. These ones are going to make your Spanish conversations feel completely natural. Let us keep going. Giving a sincere compliment is one of the fastest ways to build a real connection with someone. Here is a perfect one.
Eres muy simpático. You are very friendly. Eres means you are. Muy means very. Simpático means friendly or nice. If you're talking to a woman, you say simpática instead. Eres muy simpática. One small change, and it is perfect.
Say it. Eres muy simpático. Eres muy simpático.
This compliment works everywhere. In Spain, in Mexico, in Colombia. People absolutely love hearing it, and it immediately makes the conversation warmer.
You are at a cafe or a park. There is one empty seat next to someone interesting. Here is your opening move.
¿Puedo sentarme aquí? Can I sit here? Puedo means can I. Sentarme means sit down. Aquí means here. 3 simple parts. Say this with a smile, and you have just created the perfect opportunity for a new conversation to begin.
Repeat. ¿Puedo sentarme aquí? ¿Puedo sentarme aquí?
Such a small phrase, but it opens such a big door. Use it without hesitation.
The conversation has been great. You genuinely like this person. Here is how you tell them that.
Me alegra conocerte. Nice to meet you. Me alegra means it makes me happy. Conocerte means to meet you. Together, it literally means it makes me happy to meet you. It is so much warmer than just saying nice to meet you in English. Spanish speakers will feel that warmth immediately.
Repeat. Me alegra conocerte. Me alegra conocerte.
This phrase never fails. It is genuine, it is beautiful, and it always leaves a lasting impression.
The conversation was amazing. You do not want it to end. Here is how you make sure it does not.
Nos vemos otra vez? Can we meet again? Nos vemos means we will see each other. Otra vez means again. This is the phrase that turns a nice conversation into an actual friendship. Say it with a smile and genuine warmth, and the answer will almost always be yes.
Repeat. ¿Nos vemos otra vez? ¿Nos vemos otra vez?
And if they say sí, that means yes. And just like that, you have made a new friend in Spanish.
And your final phrase, the one that closes any conversation with class and warmth.
Fue un placer. It was a pleasure. Fue means it was. Un placer means a pleasure. 3 short words that leave the most beautiful, lasting impression on anyone you say them to. Use this when you are saying goodbye after a great conversation, and I promise you they will remember you.
Say it. Fue un placer. Fue un placer.
That phrase right there is pure class. In any language, in any culture.
Final recap. I say it in English. You say the Spanish out loud before the answer comes. Ready? Let us go. Hi, what is your name?
Hola, ¿cómo te llamas?
Where are you from?
¿De dónde eres?
Do you speak English?
¿Hablas inglés?
I am learning Spanish.
Estoy aprendiendo español.
What do you like to do?
¿Qué te gusta hacer?
You are very friendly.
Eres muy simpático.
Can I sit here?
¿Puedo sentarme aquí?
Nice to meet you.
Me alegra conocerte.
Can we meet again?
¿Nos vemos otra vez?
It was a pleasure.
Fue un placer.
Here is what I want you to take away from today. Making friends in any language starts with one simple decision: the decision to try. You do not need perfect Spanish. You just need the courage to say hola and let these phrases do the rest.
In Spanish culture, we say, el que no arriesga, no gana. Those who do not take risks do not win. Every time you open your mouth and try, you are winning. You are connecting, and that is what language is truly for.
Your challenge today. Go to the comments right now and introduce yourself in Spanish. Use anything from today. Hola, me llamo, and your name. Soy de, and your country. Anything at all. We want to meet you down there.
We read every single comment. Every one. And we would love to meet you.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe. Leave a like and share this with someone who wants to connect with Spanish speakers in their life.
Hasta luego, amigos.
See you in the next one.